Welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to learn how to solve this question on the board. And the question says, if the number STR are in the ratio 7, 6, 4, find the value of 3t minus r all over s. So solution. The question says STR are in the ratio of 7, 6, 4. 7 is to ratio 6 is to 4. So to interpret this question, what we mean, we have S, T, and R, and the ratio is and this STR is in the ratio 7, 6, and 4. So what they mean is this S is to ratio T and is to ratio R, and this ratio is 7 to ratio 6 and to ratio 4. So I could say this S represented 7 to ratio 6 and to ratio 4. This is R here, S, and the RT and the S. So, and we are asked to find the value of 3t minus r divided by s. So therefore, 3t minus r all over s. And from this deriving, from this ratio, I have 3 into t. My t is into ratio 6, which is 6 minus r. R is ratio 4 divided by s, and s is 7. So from here now, I can say equals to 3 multiplied by 6, we have 18 minus, we bring the minus 4 all over 7. So from here now, I could say 18 minus 4, we have 14 divided by 7, and 14 divided by 7 equal to 2. Therefore, the value of 3t minus r divided by s is equal to 2. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook at Sharpest Online Tutorial. Watch, comment, like, and share my video. And don't forget to invite